I wanted to give a few personalized thank yous here at the start of the video. First, iso kiitos to Michael Masiello. Kiitos todella paljon for your support towards my channel and also for your extremely lovely comment that really was heartwarming and made me smile. Thank you also to Agnish Home. I'm really sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, mutta iso kiitos sinullekin for your support towards my channel. It means a lot. And then also kiitos to Rad. Thank you a lot for your support as well towards my channel. And Rad, I'm so glad that you find my videos helpful and they're helping you learn Finnish in a fun way. That's all I want to do with my channel, is to make Finnish more accessible and more fun, and for you guys to be able to learn Finnish along the way. So kiitos kaikille teille. I also wanted to quickly add that if you don't know about it yet, I do have a Patreon account and a YouTube memberships. So within the next few days, by the end of the week, I'll be uploading my September workbook there. So all my members, tier 2 members and Patreon level 2 members, taso 2, please keep your eye open for that. Also, I do want to remind you, if you want to join the level 2 memberships, you do get a workbook every month that I personally make by myself, and it's based on the videos that I have uploaded the previous month. So for example, the workbook that I will be uploading now, it will be based on all of my September videos, so that you get some extra practice with the material and hopefully remember and learn it better. Also, not to push it too much, but it is a very good deal. If you do join, you get the backlog of all previous material. So if you join now, say, you get all the workbooks all the way back from January. So you automatically get 8 workbooks just by joining today, and then obviously every month you'll get a new one as well. So I just wanted to mention this again in case you weren't aware that I had something like this. And yeah, let's start the video, and everyone say hi to Heidi! Hi everyone, today I have a special guest. Hello, it's Heidi. We filmed several videos previously together, so feel free to check those out as well. Today we're going to be talking about
healthcare vocabulary.
Yes, so Heidi, tell us a bit about your background first.
So I graduated as a nurse in 2017. And then worked in a respiratory ward for like 6 months. Now I'm working at a reception center, so I'm aiding a lot of like refugees with the health related issues.
A lot of you watching my channel are interested in the healthcare field and might be coming to Finland to work in the healthcare field, I guess. So today we're going to be going over
basic terminology in like the hospital world.
Okay, so let's get started.
The first word is verenpaine, and that refers to blood pressure.
Yeah, so veri is blood, paine would be pressure. So verenpaine, blood pressure.
The second one is happisaturaatio.
Happisaturaatio.
Yeah, which refers to like your level of oxygen.
So happi is
oxygen,
and saturaatio
is like saturation.
Oxygen saturation?
Yeah.
So in what context would you use this?
It's a very basic measurement that you take in every shift from every patient that arrives. You take like the blood pressure, pulse, which is the next word, and the oxygen level.
So 3 good words to know: verenpaine,
happisaturaatio,
and
pulssi, which is pulse.
Pulssi. Pulssi would be pulse.
The blood pressure machine and the oxygen level machine both measure the pulse. So can be measured from multiple places. The oxygen level is usually measured from the finger, but it can also be taken from like the earlobe, and I think from your toe as well, but the toe usually shows like a bit less.
Oh. What's earlobe in Finnish?
Korvanlehti.
And what's toe in Finnish?
Varvas. I don't think I've ever seen anyone take it from the toe, no, but I...
Moving on to the next word.
I have Röntgen, which means X-ray.
Röntgen.
And then I have Keuhkokuva, which refers to the X-ray of the lungs. And in actual like medical terms, it's called thorax Röntgen, but we say Keuhkokuva in like basic Finnish.
So can you say the full official word once again slowly?
Thorax Röntgen.
But then in the workplace setting you call it
Keuhkokuva, which means lung, keuhko, picture, kuva.
Yeah, literally translated. Keuhkokuva, lung picture.
Yeah. Ultraäänitutkimus, which refers to ultrasound.
Yeah, so
like
ääni is sound, ultraääni, ultrasound, and then tutkimus is like an examination.
Examination.
It's an examination.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I have Virtsakoe, which is examination of urine.
Yeah, so literally translated urine test.
Yeah.
Koe is test. Virtsa is urine.
And alongside that, I have Virtsanäyte, which refers to the urine sample that you give.
Yeah, so the actual sample itself. So sample is näyte.
Then I have Verikoe, which is blood test.
Yeah, so once again we have the word veri, which is blood, and then koe again, which was test. So blood test, verikoe.
And as a side note, I have the word Paasto here, which means fasted, because many of the blood tests are done fasted. So it's just Paasto.
Paasto.
So we'll speak of Paasto Verikoe.
Paasto verikoe, which means like a fasted blood test.
Yeah. And in relation to this, the word Ravinnotta, which refers that you're not allowed to eat and preferably not drink anything either before it. And this is important in the hospital world, because when you instruct the patient to prepare for the fasted blood test, you tell them they need to be ravinnotta. Pitää olla ravinnotta.
Pitää olla means you have to be. Ravinnotta means without any kind of food or liquid, right?
Yeah, sustenance.
Any sustenance.
Yeah. So the actual word for hospital is Sairaala.
Sairaala. So if you go to the Sairaala, you're going to the hospital. Oh, and then you might be going to the Sairaala via Ambulanssi, right? Via the ambulance.
Yeah. Vuodeosasto, which refers to like inpatient wards.
So vuode is
bed.
Osasto is
ward.
So bed ward.
Yeah.
Vuodeosasto.
So it refers to those wards where patients come to stay for like their treatments. And
so someone would stay overnight there.
Yeah. Yes, generally, and not always, but yes. And then I have Alusastia, which refers to a bedpan, which is where one goes on top of for their business.
Alus means like beneath.
Yeah.
And then astia is
platter. Because it's used with like patients who are not able to go to the bathroom on their own.
That was our list, an introduction list for some
very basic terminology
for things you might use in the Sairaala. And we have two other categories that we will be uploading later. And on that note, we wish you a good day. Hyvää päivän jatkoa.
Bye.